You guys really enjoyed this zucchini dog video. So we're gonna do something with this. I'm gonna make zucchini fries. Working with zucchini again. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start the zucchini. Now I have these beautiful baby zucchinis from Farmer Lee at the Chef's Garden. They're really nice, they're the perfect size for a fry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop them up really thin so I could get a nice crispy texture. So just go ahead, take off this end right here, chop them up into nice little batons, and then we'll start our dredge. Okay, so I've got them all chopped up. I'm just gonna drop them into a vessel of some sort. I'm gonna pour in some buttermilk to cover, and then you can just go ahead and season that with some salt. Now you wanna let this sit covered for about an hour or so. You could also leave this in the fridge overnight, all good. If you don't have buttermilk, quick tip, mix together sour cream with milk, half and half. There you go, you got buttermilk. Now in the bowl for our dredge, 2 cups of flour, yellow bin, about ½ cup of that, corn starch. Then of course the blend of the day, Stinger. This is gonna add a nice sweet heat. Add in about 1 tablespoon or 2 of that. This is gonna be kind of like a chicken fry dredge. Of course, salt. Just go ahead and whisk that up. Oh man, this smells really good already, just with that spice. Okay, now I've got the zucchini straight out of the buttermilk. That's gonna go into our dredge right here. Now go ahead and toss that up really well. Make sure they're coated all very nicely, not sticking together. Okay friends, I'm gonna do you guys a solid today. I'm gonna show you how to make a really nice Dijonaise. Now look at this beautiful spinach that we got from the Chef's Garden. I need to use this, it's so nice. Okay, so I've never made this before. This is my first time, so bear with me as I figure out what measurements to go with this. It looks like we're gonna do about 1 cup of spinach here. Then I've got about 1/2 cup of this zucchini that's left over. I'm gonna toss that in. Now canola oil, let's just go ahead and start off with 2 cups and see where that gets us. Okay, that looks like it did what I wanted. Now we've got a beautiful bright green oil to go into our Dijonaise. You can cut this recipe in half because obviously this makes a ton. Okay, let's see where this got us. Ooh, okay. There we go. That's a nice looking Dijonaise. Now, of course, we're gonna add lemon juice to taste and salt to taste. And there we go. We've got a nice looking zucchini Dijonaise. I've never made this before. I just kind of came up with it on the spot. I'm sure it's been done before, but you know, let's try it. That's delicious. You know, I think this would actually be pretty good on a burger too. I think we're onto something. This is nice. Okay, pot that's deep enough, filled with canola oil, set to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I already strained them out of the dredge. Just go ahead and drop them into that hot oil once it's ready to go. Now just fry these off until they're about golden brown and delicious. Toss them into your bowl, and then we're gonna season them with some salt and some of this beautiful Stinger rub from Spiceology. All right, friends, so there they are. Let's go ahead and plate them up. Make them look nice. Oh man, that's so good. There we have some of our beautiful zucchini fries. Let's go ahead and dip them in this zucchini aioli. Yo, that is delicious. That's money right there. Look at that. Okay, you got the sweet heat from this rub, and of course these beautiful zucchinis that we turn into an aioli, turn into fries. Go ahead and try this one out. It's super simple. Also, maybe try this aioli out on a burger or something else like that. It's really good. Go check out Farmer Lee, link in the description. Get your own beautiful produce from him just like this. Check out our new rubs from Sasquatch Barbecue and Spiceology. These are really delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one.